Welcome back to CAD Modeling Hub. This short video is to test your abilities in producing two-dimensional orthographic views from a three-dimensional simple object. Let's begin. Here we have our simple red doorstop or three-dimensional object that we're going to use as the object for projecting a front, right, and top set of orthographic views. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and take a minute with pencil and paper to sketch a front orthographic view, a right orthographic view, and a top orthographic view of this object. You may or may not choose to add hidden lines representing hidden edges or hidden surfaces. It is your choice. Okay, turn off the video. All right, welcome back. What I'm going to do is first turn off the clipping plane so that we have the entire three-dimensional object or three-dimensional glass box showing. What I'm going to do is turn on the projection representing the front orthographic view. So you should at least have all of the green lines in your front orthographic sketch. If you've included the blue dashed lines, those lines show hidden edges or surfaces. Next, I'm going to turn on the projection of the right side orthographic view. And once again, take a minute and check, making sure your sketch matches that of the green lines. And finally, here is the top orthographic view and what your sketch should look like. How did you do? Hopefully you got everything correct. Let's move on to another example. Here we have another simple three-dimensional object. We're going to use it as our test vehicle. So we're going to turn off the clipping plane of the glass box. And once again, pause the video and take whatever time you need to draw the front orthographic view, the right side orthographic view, and the top orthographic view, including, if you choose, the hidden lines, the dashed lines that represent hidden surfaces. Remember, we're doing third angle projection. Pause the video. Welcome back. Let's take and turn on the projection of our front orthographic view. Again, your sketch should at least match all of the lines represented in green. The blue dashed lines represent the hidden surface, represent this hidden surface back inside there. I'll show you by hovering over it. So that surface that's highlighted in the back there happens to coincide with that blue line. All right, what does the right side sketch look like? Again, all of your green lines need to be the same as mine. The blue dashed line, in this case, represents this hidden surface right there. And when you project it onto the right side view, you see it as an edge, but the edge is hidden, so you get dashed lines, not solid lines. I have a question for you. Some of you may have colored this line that my cursor is over as a dashed line. It represents this back surface. It also represents kind of the inside surface on this wall. They happen to lie on the same plane. Whenever you have something like that, you need to make sure that you give preference to the visible edge, and that's why this edge is green, not blue and dashed. So if an edge is hidden and that edge happens to coincide with a visible edge, then you always make sure that you show the visible edge as a solid line. Okay, off to the top view. So our top orthographic view should look something like this green set of curves up here on the top. All right, let's do one last projection as a quiz and see how you do. So here we have our simple shape. Again, pause the video, create a front orthographic view, a right side orthographic view, and a top orthographic view. Okay, pause the video. All right, welcome back. So let's see how well you did. Here's the front view, and the front view in this case, if we rotate this around, should look something just like that. If we rotate around to our right side view, it should look like that. And if we rotate to our top view, the object should look like that. Hopefully you have been successful in creating all of these orthographic views, and you're getting to the point of where you can look at a three-dimensional object and project it into its corresponding orthographic views. Our next lecture, our next little video clip, will focus on some more complex shapes, and we'll see how well you do with your 3D to 2D visualization skills. Thank you.